Good day everyone. So this is Lecture Vlog kasama ang inyong lingkod na si Sir Jade. So I'm going to discuss now about tour costing for regular tour package. So this is for the subject of tour and travel management or travel and tour agency. So but before that, do not forget to share, like, and subscribe my channel, Jade Fortis TV. Alright, so tour costing for regular tour package. So let's compute. But before that, kailangan nyo po ng calculator. Okay? Para po sa ganitong uri ng computation. Okay? So, ganito, ang tour costing kasi ginagamit ito sa regular tour package, which is, ang nagsiset po ng number ng person ay ang tour operator or travel agency. Si tour operator. Example, sinet niya yung tour for 15, which is may FOC kunwari na isa, or 10 person lang. Okay? So that is based doon sa gusto ng tour operator. Okay, next. So let's discuss now the tour costing. So first one, transportation costing. So assuming na natin ang travel na ito ay sa Cebu and Bohol. So from Manila going to Cebu and Bohol. Okay, Cebu, Bohol, 3 days, 2 nights. Okay, for 10 passengers only. Okay, so transportation costing. First one, let's compute the airfare. So as you can see here, yung presyo niyan, assuming na natin yung presyo niya, kunwari nakita po natin sa Amadeus or any online app or any online booking engine po, yung presyo ng Cebu Pacific sa papuntang Cebu from Manila going to Cebu. So which is per pax cent. So that is 2,741.28 per pax times 10. Actually, yung 10 person na yan, yung 10 na yan, yan po yung total number na sasama. Lahat ng sasama sa tour. So pwede rin po dyan yung kasama pong FOC, yung mga free of charge. So pwede pong, kung example, kung 15 po lahat, kung 15 yan, so assuming na natin na meron automatic na may isang libre. So, mangyayari dyan, times 16. Diba? Kung 15 pasahero yan, times 16 yan kasi may libreng isa. So, times 16. So, but syempre, sa example ko, 10 person lang. So, times 10 equals 27,412.8 pesos divided by 10. O bakit dinivide sa 10? Kasi nga, sabi ko nga, yung 10 na dinivide po yan po yung total number na magbabayad. Yan po yung magbabayad sa tour. So, paano kung 15 yan? Kung 15 po lahat ng magbabayad. So, automatic, lahat mga 15 paying years, may free of charge na isa. That is a must. Ano na po, yung talagang rule na po yung pagdating sa tour costing. So, kunwari, 15, no? 2,741.28 times 16 equals, pakicompute na lang po, and then divided by 15, yun po yung sagot kung 15 passengers. So tandaan nyo po, yung dinidivide po dito, yung total number ng passenger na dinidivide, no, dito sa 27,412.8, yun yung mga total number na magbabayad, total number na passengers na magbabayad. So here, wala naman pong FOC, pinapakita ko lang sa inyo po yung method ng computation. So, 2,741.28 per pax times 10. Yun yung 10 lahat. Yun yung total number na sasama. So, equals 27,412.8 divided by 10. Yun yung total number na magbabayad sa tour or paying passenger. Equals 2,741.28 per pax. And then, Bohol to Manila by Cebu Pacific. O bakit Bohol? Because ang type ng trip nito is Open Joe itinerary. So that is Open Joe itinerary. So ibig sabihin ng Open Joe, so from Manila to Cebu by plane, Cebu to Bohol, water transportation like Supercat to Go Travel, and then Bohol to Manila via Cebu Pacific o by plane ulit. So, Bohol to Manila here, that is 2,701.88 pesos divided by, per pax, 2,701.88 per pax times 10 equals 27,018.8 pesos divided by 10. So yun yung total number ng magbabayad. So that is 2,701.88 per pax. Okay, so that is all about airfare na. Next one, let's compute the seafare naman. Ito yung sinasabi kong Cebu to Bohol. No? Cebu to Bohol, that is via Supercat to Go Travel. So, 500 lang per pax. Eh kung 10 yung sasama, total number na sasama, so ita-times mo lang. So that's 5,000. So yung total number na magbabayad, that is 10. 5,000 divided by 10, that is 500 per pax. No? Next one, land fare naman tayo. So, mag-aaral ka lang ng van. So, ito po ay PATO rate. No? PATO rate po ito sa Cebu and Bohol. But this one, meron na itong tour guide. Okay? With tour guide na accredited po ng Department of Tourism. So, it is already computed by the tour operator. So, that is 700 per pax na. Whole day tour na yon, no? From pwedeng 7 or 8 a.m. hanggang 5 p.m. ng hapon. No? Normally, may lunch na rin yan at may mga snacks na yan. So, Cebu full day tour, private van with free tour guide, that is 700 per pax times 10. So, yung 10 na yun yung total number sama, equal 7,000 pesos divided by 10, that is 700 per pax. For Bohol naman, yung travel sa Bohol, it is also a full day tour with private van. Private van ito at free tour guide. So that is 800 per pax times 10 equals 8,000 divided by 10 equals 800 per pax. So here, we're going to compute na lahat-lahat. So ito po, gagawa ka lang ng tatlong table. So by day, destination, and total number of passenger, which is 10 pax. Ito yung total number na magbabayad. Alright, so June 1. June 1 po biyahe. So first part, syempre personally sa tour, ito kasing tour costing ito with itinerary ito. Basic itinerary, that is called skeletal technical itinerary. Kasi nga, highlights lang. The major highlights, example sa June 1, yung major highlights lang. So here, at doon sa highlights, ano yung pinaka-major products? Like, transportation ba siya, accommodation, or transport, any product po na, kumbaga, yun po yung gagastosin po. So, sa June 1, that is arrival from Manila to Cebu by Cebu Pacific. So, that is airfare. So, na-compute na natin, that is 2,741.28 per pax times 10 equals 27,412.8 pesos divided by 10, that is 2,741.28 per pax. Next one, syempre, nung nag-arrive na doon sa Cebu, mag-check-in, no? Sa Crown Regency Hotel and Towers with daily meal plan. So, kung 10 sila, anong accommodation ang kailangan? So, 2 quad sharing. Bakit quad sharing po? Sa isang quad sharing, 4 ang kasya. So, that is family room. So, 4 ang kasya. So, since 2 po times 2, quad sharing times 2, so, that is 8 na yung kasya doon. So, ilan na lang kulang? Isang room pa. Pero kailangan 2. That is twin sharing. So, 2 quad sharing. So, kunwari, that is 6,100, 2 quad sharing. Ang isa, that is 3,050. So, isang quad sharing, that is 3,050 per pax. Ano yan ha? Per room per night. Good for 4. So, 3,050 times 2, which is 2 quad sharing yan. So, that is 6,100. So, for 8 person na yan. That is per night yan. Per night basis po yan. Next one, twin sharing naman. Isang twin sharing lang. So, that is 3,500. So, 6,100 plus 3,500, that is 9,600 divided by 10, that is 960 per pax lang. Ganun lang kamura. Next one, twin city tour. So, that is whole day or whole day tour sa Cebu with tour guide and with whole day tour na yon. So, with tour guide, so that is 510 per pax times 10. So, that is 5,100 divided by 10 equals 510 per pax naman. Okay, so kailangan sunulatin nyo na 2,741.28, sulat nyo, 960 and 510, sulat nyo na. So dito na po tayo, mag-check out na tayo sa Crown Regency Hotel and Towers. So magta-transfer na, no? Cebu to Bohol by Supercat Togo Travel. So remember the computation of the seafares. So that is 500 per pax times 10 equals 5,000 divided by 10. That is 500 per pax. No? Next one, mag-check-in po sa Bohol Bee Farm. No, Bohol Bee Farm po, that is resort, no, with daily meal. So quad sharing, that is another dalawang quad sharing ulit, so that is 5,800. Okay, 5,800, dalawang quad sharing na yon, no? So that is 2,900 each kung di ako nagkakamali, no? So that is yeah, correct. That is 2,900, no? 2,900 each. So 2,900 times 2, that is 5,800 times 2 yan. Okay? So 2,900 times 2 equals 5,800. Okay? So 5,800. And then another one twin sharing, so isang room lang, that is 2,800. So 5,800 plus 2,800, 8,600. So divided by sa 10 magbabayad na guest, 860 per pax. Next, Bohol Countryside Tour, whole day po ito. Full day. So pwedeng or that is pwedeng half day lang. So 710 per pax times 10 equals 7,100 divided by 10, 710 per pax. And then meron pang Panglao Island Tour. So Panglao Island Tour, so that is 660 per pax times 10 equals so ito kasi itong Panglao Island Tour, so kasama talaga ito sa itinerary, so which is 6,600 total yan by 10. So 6,600 divided by 10 equals 660 per pax. So pakisulat po ulit, 500 plus 860 plus 710 and 660. So check out po. Check out na, that is pang third day na po ito. Departure from Bohol to Manila by Cebu Pacific. So 2,701.88 per pax times 10 equals 27,018.8 divided by 10, that is 2,701.88 per pax. So next one, meron pa ditong yung van pick up and drop off sa Cebu. Yung van po na inarkila, so that is 700 per pax times 10 equals 7,000 divided by 10, 700 per pax. So ganun din, yung van din ng inarkila po sa Bohol, that is 800 per pax times 10 equals 8,000 divided by 10, 800 per pax. So you're going to total lahat-lahat. So let's total, no? Balik tayo sa June 1. So 2,741.28 plus 960 plus 510 plus 500 per pax plus 860 plus 710 plus 660 plus 2,701.88 and then plus 700 plus 800 equals 11,143.16 per pax. So that is 11,143.16 per pax. So that's the subtotal. But hindi pa po natatapos dyan, you're going to times it to the 10%. Kukunin mo yung 10%. Additional 10% pa po yan. So 11,143.68 times 0.10, no? 0.10, so that is 1,114.316. So ito total mo lang, i-add mo lang yung 11,143.16 plus 1,114.316 equals 12,257.476 or that is 0.48 na rin. But hindi pa po natatapos dyan because meron pa pong value added tax na 12%. So that is by 0.12. No? So that is 12,257.476 times 0.12 equals 1,470.90. So yun. So after getting the 12%, you're going to add it 1,470.90 plus 12,257.476 equals 13,728.90. 38. So that's the total price na. Yan yung total price. Syempre, since for ito, mas maganda na rin yung sobra para may contingency fund na rin. So pwede mo na siyang i-round off paangat. So that is 13,750. That is rounded off gross selling. So actually, ganyan po talaga ang price ng Cebu Bohol. That's for regular price na yan. Kasi that's Cebu Bohol for 3 days and 2 nights. Sulit na po yan. Kasi lalo pa ngayon, mas nagmamahal ang tour. But for that is mura na yan. 13,750 pesos. Alright? Okay, so that's it. So, yan po yung sample computation ng tour costing for regular tour package. If you have some question, don't hesitate to ask me. And especially sa mga may schools dyan, may mga schools, since napapanood dito sa buong Pilipinas, you can invite me for lecture about tour packaging, tour costing, and itinerary making, or travel and tour management operation. You can invite me. You can email me at jade_fsp@yahoo.com if you want to invite me as a speaker or resource speaker for this kind of topic. All right? Or for this kind of training. Okay? So, I hope you learn a lot about tour costing for regular tour package. So, thank you and God bless us all.